Hi, my name is Spencer Trainum. I work in product development for Boston Whaler. Just wanted to highlight a couple features here on our 230 Vantage and 230 Outrage. 230 Vantage has been in the market very successfully for about 5 to 7 years now. It's a dual console platform with the offset console that gives you a little bit more room in the port side cabin / head. It's a great family boat, great day boat. We've got an innovative feature that we've won awards for there at the port helm with the converting seat back. A lot of people are familiar with. We've got numerous different options to set this boat up the way you want. Hardtop, beach boarding ladder, windlass, that really run the gamut there. On the other side here, we've got our 230 Outrage, newer to the market in the last 2 years. This is more of a fishing platform. It's got a steeper dead rise for more offshore capability. Got a really innovative leaning post where you can actually flip down the backrest and create aft-facing seating. So we're always trying to maximize the space where it's limited on a boat to serve multiple purposes, and the leaning post on the 230 Outrage does just that. So Outrage, relatively new model. Vantage here, been successful in the marketplace for quite a while.